Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude. I'm here with another video. So, we will be just cutting open these blind bags and seeing what's inside. I basically just bought them to get that case right there. They're the only two left, so I said, hey, why not, right? The case that they came in actually had an already opened little sheet, so you can see what's in there. It's basically just the Camp Cretaceous figures, and I'm 99% sure both of these are the same figure. I think they're Brachio, so let's see. And there we have it! Oh my god, it's so adorable. So, this is my first Brachio minifig. I have not bought the Legacy Collection one way back in the day. I assume this one's different. I see it's a lot, maybe it's greener, yellower. I know my lighting's pretty bad, but a while back I saw a post comparing the two, and this one just seemed yellower or greener in a way. It's a pretty large figure, so let's compare it to, say, a Carno and Sinoceratops. Okay, never mind, it's tiny. Wow, it's pretty small. Maybe the Indominus Rex. Ooh, yeah, it's okay. So this guy is small. I miscalculated its size by a lot, but it's still a pretty hefty figure. And cute. It's pretty cute. So let's see if the other one is Brachio. I like the neck length and how they managed to, fit it in the blind bag scale. Yep, and we have another Brachio. Aww, I could do a little scene with them or something. Can't really use them as baby Brachios now because Camp Cretaceous is releasing a baby Brachiosaurus figure, so I no longer need these to make photography. And you get a little dino rival, not dino rivals, that's dino rivals. We get a little backdrop. Primal attack? Yeah, that's the toy line. And there we go, look at that. It's absolutely adorable. Their necks have up and down motion, and they're rotatable. I don't know why you'd want to do that though. They have little eye spots, as you can see, and it's just like a basic coloring on the back. The body seems to be pretty shiny. It's got some sort of finish on it, and the neck's a little less shiny, but I think it's the same material. And obviously there's variation in like the paint and whatnot. No toe detail, just round nubs. It's a little odd looking on the front. Is that in all of them? Yeah. Wow, okay. That's pretty weird, but they do have that little detail, and they have toes on the back. Wrinkling looks pretty neat, kind of like elephant skin. It's pretty on point. Do I have a albertosaurus? Let's see. Should have one somewhere. You know what? I have Diplodocus. It's close enough. So there's Diplodocus in comparison. It still seems a little bit bigger. The body's definitely bigger. And wow, would you look at that? It has all its toes. We also have a Stegosaurus for comparison. Again, they're pretty small. And yeah, so regarding the figure line, I guess we can talk a little bit about that. There's a metallic Indominus Rex, which you can get, and I think I got that one. It looks like it's just solid color, but I think it's transparent. Yeah, so this guy's got transparency to him. And then the line has some dinosaurs that are basically from older figure lineups, besides Toro and Bumpy, which are the new Camp Cretaceous ones. But if you missed out on any of these guys in past lineups, this is a good way to get them, I guess, because this is the most recent mini lineup. So yeah, anyways, I'm glad to finally have the Brachiosaurus in my collection. It's pretty cute. Two of them, that's pretty cool. Maybe I can do a diorama or something with them. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did find it entertaining, I would definitely appreciate a like or a subscribe or even a comment. Love checking the comments. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.